Step into the digital realm where every click can turn into cash. Discover the unseen path to becoming a digital marketing maven. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Stay with us till the end of this video, as along with unlocking the digital doorway, we have an extra insight that will significantly amplify your digital marketing journey. You're about to dive deeper than you anticipated, so gear up for a ride full of valuable takeaways. Digital marketing is where the essence of traditional marketing intertwines with modern digital technology. It's the art and science of promoting products or services across digital platforms, primarily on the internet. At its core, digital marketing is about engaging with your target audience at the right digital platforms at the precise moment. It's a vast umbrella covering various marketing tactics and channels to connect with customers online. Unlike traditional marketing, which uses mediums like TV, radio, or print, digital marketing operates entirely online. This shift to the digital world unveils a plethora of opportunities to interact with customers in a way that wasn't possible before. One of the stellar aspects of digital marketing is the ability to measure virtually everything. You can track your customer's journey, measure the success of your campaigns, and optimize your strategies based on concrete data. Being in digital marketing is not just about selling products. It's about orchestrating a seamless customer experience, understanding your customers' needs, and tailoring your products and strategies accordingly. Now, let's delve deeper into the core components of digital marketing. The foundational pillars are search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, and social media marketing. These are the stepping stones on which your digital marketing journey commences. SEO is like the magic wand of digital visibility. It's the process that enhances your website's visibility on search engines, making it easier for your target audience to find you. It's about understanding what people are searching for and ensuring your content is there to meet their needs. PPC, on the other hand, is your fast track to reaching your audience. It's all about paid advertising where you pay for each click on your advertisement. It's a way to buy visits to your site, as opposed to earning them organically through SEO. Social media marketing is a powerhouse. It's about leveraging social media platforms to connect with your audience, to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. It's where your audience is spending their time, and you should too. The realm of digital marketing is ever evolving with new tools, strategies, and platforms emerging almost daily. Staying updated is not an option. It's a necessity to remain relevant and effective in your strategies. Diving into this dynamic field begins with grasping the basics. Understanding the core principles will give you a clearer picture and a solid base to build upon. Now, once the basics are nailed down, it's time to get your hands dirty. Practical experience is where the real learning happens. Start by creating your own website or blog, experiment with SEO and PPC campaigns, and create social media strategies. Engaging with other digital marketers is like opening doors to a treasure trove of knowledge. Learn from their experiences, attend seminars, webinars, and be an active part of the digital marketing community. Getting certified is like having a golden feather in your cap. Various online platforms offer digital marketing courses and certifications. They not only enhance your skills, but also make you more marketable in the digital marketing landscape. Intrigued by our perspective? Dive deeper into our vision. Subscribe, affirm with a like, and ring the bell for a clearer view. Excited for more insights? Let's refocus and continue. Understanding your audience is the essence of digital marketing. It's about knowing their preferences, their behaviors, and their desires. It's about delivering value at every touch point and building relationships that transcend beyond just business. A strategy is your roadmap in the digital marketing journey. It's about setting clear goals, identifying your target market, and deciding on the best tactics to reach them. It's about having a clear vision and a plan to achieve it. Content, the king of digital marketing. It's the medium through which you communicate with your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or podcasts, creating captivating content is crucial in engaging and nurturing your audience. Now, don't shy away from analytics. It's your friend, trust me. Data tells you what's working and what's not. It's about analyzing your performance, understanding the metrics, and using this data to refine your strategies. Experimentation is the name of the game in digital marketing. It's all about trying new things, testing different strategies, and adapting based on the results. It's about being flexible and open to change. Patience is a virtue, especially in digital marketing. Success doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, effort, and a persistent attitude to see the fruits of your labor. In this dynamic field, there's always something new to learn, always room to grow. Don't limit yourself. Explore different facets, learn new skills, and strive to become the best digital marketer you can be. Digital marketing is an exciting, rewarding, and ever-evolving field. With the right knowledge, the right skills, and the right attitude, sky's the limit. So, are you ready to take the plunge into the digital marketing world? Your journey into digital marketing is bound to be exhilarating. It's about continuous learning, constant experimenting, and adapting to the ever-changing digital landscape. Now, to really thrive in digital marketing, it's vital to find your niche. Whether it's social media, SEO, or content marketing, honing in on what you love and mastering it will set you apart in this competitive field. Moreover, connecting with mentors and engaging in digital marketing communities can accelerate your learning curve. It provides a platform to share ideas, get feedback, and stay updated on industry trends. Lastly, always be curious. The digital landscape is vast and continuously evolving. Your willingness to explore, learn, and adapt is what will propel you forward in your digital marketing career. In conclusion, the realm of digital marketing is vast, full of opportunities waiting for you to seize them. So dive in, learn, experiment, connect, and grow. Your digital marketing adventure is sure to be exciting, challenging, and incredibly rewarding. Good luck! Next up, the pièce de résistance. Delve into a free ebook revealing the creme de la creme of online business strategies set to flourish today. But keep your wits about you, for there's an encore performance. In the wake of the ebook's revelations, a magnetizing 15-day challenge presents itself, finely honed for this e-odyssey. Directed by e-vanguards, avant-garde insights, and an armory of strategic assets, your pathway to online stardom is illuminated. Eager to embark on this transformative journey? Sprint with intent! Activate the link in the description post-haste and stake your claim in the digital realm. Turning the last page of today's e-earning adventure book, embarked on the method, epic journeys, or plot twists? Chronicle your tales in the comments! Did today's financial chapter captivate your curiosity? Hit like to bookmark more tales? Longing for more thrilling narratives? Subscribe and ring the bell, ensuring you're always part of the storyline. Before you close the book, see that video bookmark? It's a prologue to another saga of online treasures. Dive in and let's pen more success stories together. Until our next tale unfolds!